you doing?
There's something to eat in that fridge, right, Michael?
Yes, what are you doing?
For food. You looking for food? Come. Out. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Door's closing. Let's go. Let's go. Out. Out of the fridge. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Michael. Fridge is closing. Let's go. Let's go out of the fridge. Out of the fridge. Out of the fridge. You don't even want to go out of the fridge. Close the fridge. Thank you. Keep it closed.
Still want to go back inside?
And no. People run me out of my fridge.
Say, I was in the fridge.